Welcome back, creators. Today, I'm about to show you one of the easiest and most powerful ways to create stunning 3D animated stories using 100% free AI tools. No expensive software, no complicated editing, just smart AI workflows that anyone can use. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to craft the perfect prompts to bring your ideas to life, how to generate ultra-detailed Pixar-style characters and scenes, and how to transform those images into cinematic quality animated videos without spending a single dollar. And here's the best part. If you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal a secret AI tool and method that adds realistic voiceovers with perfect lip sync to your characters. This is the game changer that will take your animations from good to absolutely professional. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, let me give you a quick taste of what's possible. Take a look at this short example.
Today feels like a big adventure.
Crazy, right? Almost feels like stepping inside a Pixar movie. And the best part, you can do this too. So grab your notepad, get ready to copy my exact steps, and let's build your very first 3D AI-powered animation together. So, let's begin creating this 3D AI animated video with lip sync methods step by step. First, we'll go to ChatGPT. I'll leave the AI prompt in the description below. We'll ask ChatGPT to generate a complete Pixar-style 3D story along with a voiceover. Here is the prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me a 3D Pixar character script plus a voiceover narration. We'll copy this full story and then head to a free AI video generator website. This amazing platform is 100% free and gives you 500 free credits. It has two features: AI Character Generator to create characters from scratch, AI Video Generator to turn your script into a full animated video. Since we already have our story from ChatGPT, we'll use the second option. Step 1. Setting up the project. The platform lets you choose landscape, YouTube videos, or portrait, YouTube shorts. It also gives two scripting options, Basic Script and Smart Script. We'll use Basic Script because we already have our story generated before using ChatGPT. We paste the story, then go through 4 stages: content, casting, storyboard, and edit. Step 2. Generating Pixar-style characters. The website now creates our characters automatically. We need to wait a few seconds. Look at the quality of the AI Pixar characters. These images are sharp, consistent, and perfect for children's stories. With one click on AutoCast, the characters are locked in. Children absolutely love this Pixar 3D look, and you can even customize them further if you want by clicking on Edit section. Step 3. Story visuals. Now we have the storyboard. The free credits gave us 12 full scenes. Since the free plan doesn't allow animating all of them, we'll download the images in order and move to another free AI animation tool. Step 4. Animating images. We'll use a free AI image-to-video animator, link in the description. It gives you 300 credits when you sign up and 180 credits daily for free. Just upload the image, paste the animation prompt, and click Generate. The results? High-quality animated clips that look like a real Pixar-style short film. Step 5. Adding AI voiceover and lip sync. Next, we'll use 11 Labs AI voice generator to create professional-sounding narrations. Then we'll upload the video and audio into Dreamface to sync the lips perfectly. Within minutes, you get AI lip sync animation with natural movements and smooth expressions. Pro tip: another excellent free tool, similar to Dreamface, allows you to create videos with advanced lip syncing technology in just 3 simple steps. Download the video. Start by clicking here to download the generated video file. Download the voiceover. Next, download the voiceover that you created using 11 Labs, ensuring professional quality narration. Generate the final output. Finally, click on Generate to produce high-quality, polished videos that combine your visuals and voice seamlessly. Final result: after combining the animated clips and voiceover in CapCut AI Video Editor, we now have a full Pixar-style 3D story video created with free AI tools without coding, editing, or spending money. And there you have it, your very first 3D AI-powered animation, built completely free and step by step. But this is just the beginning. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button to let me know you want more tutorials like this. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next video. I've got even more powerful AI secrets coming your way. And in the comments, tell me, what kind of story or animation do you want to create next? I'll read every single one, and who knows, your idea might become the focus of my next tutorial. Remember, the tools are free, the methods are simple, and the only limit is your creativity. So go ahead, start creating your story today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Today feels like a big adventure. It's amazing. Let's go together, friends.
Follow me, something shiny.